morning, comrades. Welcome back to the Nürburgring, and today we have a very special guest. No, not this, but Nuno, all the way from Uruguay, with his brand new V10 Performante, Lamborghini, Huracan, all the names. Give him a follow on Instagram. Nuno, come on, let's go. Time is money. Money is time.
Do this. I was probably going to start with this. Hey guys, I'm Rabbit. That's my new favourite saying now.
So it's not my first time in the Performante. Ooh, yeah. My first time was last year, I believe, with Phil, who had the manual control one. So this one is my first time right-hand drive car.
Okay, yeah.
Exciting. So
very good.
I think it will be interesting to tell the story of how you got this car, because some people don't know, last year we produced this track of Mitch the Bitch, and that track went like platinum in Malaysia or something, and from all that money you got the Performante.
We did really well.
We did well. And
really
actually
well. That's how Robert's got the new McLaren.
Exactly,
as well.
yeah. And on a side note, we haven't seen Mitch, but because the track went so popular there, he became such a star. I don't remember, was it Malaysia or Thailand? He basically emigrated there and he stayed there because he's being a god there. It's like
people love him.
Absolutely.
And because he's so tall as well out there in comparison to everybody else.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just been worshipped.
Yeah.
He's been worshipped for being an absolute bitch, which is, I mean, just amazing.
We do miss him.
It's been good for everyone.
Yes. But wonderful, wonderful. What do you think of the car so far?
It's pretty good. Understeers a little bit.
Well, all-wheel drive, huh?
But yes, it's a good old truck.
Yeah. So
a few tweaks here and there, different tyres, some alignment. I think it'll be quite good.
So a question that I have to ask, based on my experience or the past, so to say, do you think that Performante did the lap time that they claim they have done?
What was it, 650 something?
651 or 52.
It's got the power to do it.
Yes, that's the point. Yeah, power is there for sure. But
I think it wasn't on stock alignment.
No.
It wasn't on standard tyres.
Yeah.
Must have been on at least Trofeos. And some seriously big
balls.
Like
or Mitch.
Like really big ones. Really big ones.
Well, Marco Mappelli drove it, so it was definitely it's not the
some big old ones.
Yeah, the driver was good.
You just never know, do you?
No.
Did the MR do the time? It's got the power. Does anything do the time? Did the M4 GTS do the time? Fucking who knows? But
yeah,
it's a good
but like when you get in the car, like in a factory car, after them claiming a time, it's kind of like, okay, yeah, it probably can do it. Maybe with the minor tweaks, but this is just so far from reality, in my opinion.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
This is my first day out here with it.
Okay.
I think the car's capable. I don't think this car's capable. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
The engine and gearbox are capable.
No, absolutely. I mean, this is one of the best engines, the last V10 that you can get on the market, together with R8.
Everything else, though, is questionable. But fuck it sells cars, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It sells cars. And it gives us a video to watch on YouTube.
Oh yeah, it gives me a video to make on YouTube and to watch. But apparently I should better start making soundtracks. But I was involved, kinda. Still waiting for my share though, but
yeah, it will come. It will come.
Okay, yeah. Well, that's my lap. My lap is the share, and laps are Robert.
Let's do this. AC is on.
AC is on for extra horsepower.
Of course.
How do you like the visibility? Because it's typical Lamborghini pretty low.
The front's not bad. The back's it's actually not bad. Where the spoiler is as well, you can see everything through the spoiler. It's really, really good.
It is, but like you said, a bit understeering.
Yeah. It needs an alignment and different tires. But otherwise, out the box,
Yeah. It's emotional. It's definitely one of the most emotional cars you can get.
So good. It sounds amazing.
We should get you a sticker. I did it for the downshift.
I did it for the downshift 100%, and sometimes the downshift don't work. It's just Italian, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got a double tap. So
Swipe up,
yeah,
swipe right, all the swipes.
up and down. It does whatever it wants.
Nice. Well, thank you very much.
No worries, mate.
And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this lap. I definitely have. Sorry for a bit of shaky cam and the dynamic cam as well. There were some attempts. Uh-oh. Are we too loud? Is it too loud?
How much?
Ooh, 131.
I'll slow down.
Wir haben nämlich schon einen Kollegen an mir sitzen. Scheiße.
Okay.
Heute nicht mehr.
Ja.
Gar keine Chance.
Okay, kann nicht mehr.
Nein, heute nicht mehr.
Okay, gut,
Tut mir leid.
leider. Okay,
Weißt du doch.
okay, gut. Danke. So, you're banned for today.
No way.
Yep.
Oh wow, it's good while it lasted, isn't it?
Well, yeah, that's the thing. You should not put it in Corsa but in Strada.
Oh no, fuck that. I'd rather be banned. Where are the microphones?